Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. How are you, brother?
Mm-hmm. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. I really think that Bangladesh is where was the capital of Bangladesh?
Yeah, the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka.
Dhaka.
Bangladesh is a South Asian country.
Yeah, I know. I know that. I was just talking about the Indian Ocean. Don't you know the Indian Ocean, south side of the Indian Peninsula?
Yeah, you have good
I
enough
really wanted.
knowledge about Bangladesh, maybe.
Well, just the geographical kind of knowledge. I generally have most of the world's geographical knowledge. I
You are good enough in English. So, when you started your speaking English,
I just I just wanted to talk in English. Like there's not much opportunity to talk in English in Japan. Like most of the guys doesn't talk in English here because they don't want to stand out from the others. Our nationality has a tendency to not to stand out from the others. So
yeah,
I look different, then you're gonna beat you. Not beat you, but socially beat you up. So yeah, Japan is not a friendly place for English speakers, I guess.
yeah, I got it. But
So
if I have fondness to go Japan, so I
mhm.
have to learn Japanese language. Otherwise, I will not be able to
Oh
cope
no,
up
no,
with.
no, no. If you can understand the simple phrases, that would be good enough. But if you have to travel Japan, you have to learn English at least. If you cannot speak in English, then nobody would be able to help you. It
Okay.
is kind of challenge to communicate with Japanese locals, but if you can understand English and talk in English, most of the guys would help you, I guess, if they can understand English. They, yeah, we are not a ex- extrovert kind of people, I guess.
Yeah. I think Japanese people are not interested in going abroad for working or study purpose.
Yeah, most of the guys are not interested in that kind of topic because I don't know why, but most of the guys doesn't like to talk in another language because the reasons that I mentioned before.
Yeah.
Like they don't want to stand out, I guess. So do you think that Japanese people are not friendly? I'm not going to say all of them is not friendly, but it's if you can communicate with Japanese, then you are able to become a friendly kind of relationship. Yes, but I think Japan is the kind of country that's a lot of stuff is personalized. So
Yeah.
it's hard to say, but we're we're kind, but not friendly.
Yeah. So
I think that would
I
be the good
saw on a
answer.
video that Japanese people like to be quiet atmosphere.
Right?
Is it okay?
Quiet.
Silent atmosphere.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, of course. Like if we don't have to talk, then we don't talk. Like in the train, nobody would talk. Almost nobody. But
Yeah.
well, yeah, we just don't want to talk to each other when the atmosphere is silent. If the place isn't silent, then we start talking. But if not, we won't. Like we just don't want to stand out, as I mentioned extensively. I guess maybe
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
are.
So if you don't mind, I want to know some information a little bit. Like Japanese people eat rice every day.
Rice?
Rice? Yeah.
Yeah, rice. Oh, yeah, rice. I think most of the guys in Japan would eat rice almost every day. Like it, I don't say eating bread is rare, but it is a common thing eating rice in Japan. The foreigners that came from another country that eats rice too, I
Yeah,
guess.
I mean,
Oh, you eat rice in Peru? I
Japanese people eat rice in 3 times.
Not 3 times a day, like most of the times, I guess. Not I'm not going to say every day, every time they eat. We don't. Sometimes we don't eat rice all day,
Yeah,
but well, it's really common.
yeah. So next, like
They eat
they eat too
rice.
noodles,
Hmm?
noodles.
Ah,
What
yes,
about
noodles
noodles?
is popular. Noodles are popular, I guess. Like udon, soba, ramen, a lot of kinds of noodle. Pasta is somewhat a noodle, I guess. So that's that's common, I guess. Secondly, common, I guess, in Japan. It's easy to make
Yeah,
noodles, so cook noodles. So yeah, it's kind of common, I guess.
yeah.
Oh my
Like
god, this
they like spicy noodles or something.
not spicy ones, I guess.
I think a little bit spicy.
Not much, I guess. There are some spicy noodles, but that's not a major stuff in Japan, I guess. Maybe it's just my community's problem, but it's not a super major kind of stuff, I guess.
Okay.
Is
Julia,
asking you that because maybe in Korea they eat like a spicy ramen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So maybe in
I
Japan they
saw on a
eat
video.
like that.
oh, that, yeah. Spicy stuff is a common stuff. I don't know in Korea, I guess,
Mm-hmm.
but it's kind of famous, right? So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's common in Korea and somewhat it's popular in Japan, but it's not common to eat that. It's
Mm-hmm.
popular, but
Yes.
it doesn't mean it is common.
Okay, tell me
It's
what is famous dish in Japan?
なんだろ
Nandaro. Then
う。I'm wondering which is the famous one.
yeah.
And oh
So
my god,
what is your favorite dish? Your favorite dish?
I eat eels.
Eels?
That's my favorite. Eels.
Yeah.
The the slim fish,
Okay.
in sea. Yeah, looks like a snake. Yeah,
It's
that's an
made
eel.
of fish,
Yeah, yeah, fish and rice.
fish
The
and
sauce
rice
on
together. Yeah.
eel, yeah, the sauce on it is kind of sweet for a Japanese food, I guess, and that's my favorite.
Yeah,
Did somebody say
that's
what
great.
to join?